Hello ladies and gentlemen, Dave Fluke from HespelerRocks.com coming at you from downtown Hespeler, Ontario on a wonderful and sunny Wednesday morning. Today we're going to be doing a giveaway. In fact, every Wednesday from this point forward we're going to be doing a giveaway. But today's giveaway is pretty special. It's from the Grand Valley Golf Club here in Cambridge. It's at 1910 Rosevale Road. We have 2 free coupons which waives all the green fees. So it's around $37. They're good for weekends or weekdays. And once again, I've got 2 in my possession that I'm looking to give away to anyone who likes to play golf, or is married to somebody who plays golf, or knows somebody who likes to play golf. Free round of golf for 2 people. Now, how do you win these tickets, you may ask? And the answer is very simple. All you need to do is go to HespelerRocks.com, click on the contact form, and send me an email. And what I'll do is I will choose maybe the 7th email that I get will get these tickets for a free round of golf anytime in 2014. Yeah, that's it. Pretty easy. So stay tuned for more giveaways and contests from Hespeler Rocks. More great content coming up as well. It's getting really windy here in downtown Hespeler. I'm gonna go play a round of golf myself. All right.